Alright, Monday morning. Generally don't do Monday mornings. Statistically, they're not very good. But we'll start off with a exercise machine. The Gazelle. Alright. See if we can find some other stuff. It's really a pretty warm weekend, so I'm kind of hoping there'd be some garage cleanouts and whatnot. That's aluminum. Well, we get some garage cleanouts type action going. Certainly be helpful in our pocket, especially with gas at $4 a gallon and going up. So hopefully some people clean their garage out this weekend and we can get some of their unwanted stuff. We'll find out. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff I was hoping to roll up on. Got some stuff here. I should take that or not, but we're going to. Radiator. Take an old garage heater. Why not? Works for me. Does that work for you guys? I'm gonna fix this door pin. Somebody tried to put new bushings in it, but one of the bushings is starting to back its way out on the bottom, so I think I'm gonna have to reinstall that bushing. Doors sagging. Pretty common for these trucks. Alright, well, hopefully we can find some more stops like that. Metal table, which somebody already removed the glass for me. was nice of them, wasn't it? Maybe it broke. Well, there's definitely some stuff out. Not necessarily metal stuff, but I'll keep looking. Just like a couple of pieces of aluminum, maybe. Something over here. No. Floor mats. No thank you to floor mats. Alright. Not really finding a lot. Once again. Same old, same old. What we got here? Anything? 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 No sir. Light bulb. No light bulbs for me. Alright, well, let's continue on. A few more areas to check out. Well, that's it for Monday. Hopefully be able to go out several times this week and add to this. Probably put it all in one video. So see you tomorrow. Alright, welcome to Wednesday. Let's start off the day with a toaster. I didn't get to go out Tuesday. Work things. That's okay. Alright, let's move on. See what we can find on this sunny Wednesday. How's it going? You mind if I recycle your metal here? Thank you. Alright, a couple of heaters and a patio umbrella. I'm not going to sit there and de-umbrella that thing. It's just not going to happen. It's already awkward as it is. Oh, we got here some more stuff. Yes, sure. More stuff. Nothing. I can't remember if I've said this in one of my other videos or not, but I've been told that I don't dig enough. Yeah, well, I'm not gonna dig in somebody's trash can unless it's, you know, clearly some metal and whatnot in there. I mean, telling me to dig more. Why don't you go film yourself scrapping and digging in somebody's trash can. Please do. I mean, I appreciate you watching. All that good stuff. But, you know, digging through people's trash really is not that fun. It's not really what I'm out here to do. I mean, if some things are clearly poking their head out at me, sure. But anyway, enough rambling. Metal footstool. Alright. So I've seen another scrapper out and about. Kind of unusual. Don't usually see them. So either they're always already through, or they just recently started, or what, I don't know. But she gave me that look and that grin like we've already been through here. But we're still finding a little bit of this and that, so I don't think I can fit that in here. No, sir. Garbage. I don't think the trash man will take that swing set either. Alright, move on, see if we see anything else. I guess not see anything else, pick anything else up, right? Well, if they're out scrapping, they clearly haven't gone to this neighborhood, so. Oh, come on. Wow. Sheesh, that was really in there. Oh, what is it? What is it? It's in the trash can, that's what it is. Anything else? Alright, we're finding a few little things here and there today. Certainly a little bit better than what it has been lately. It looks metal to me. Kind of funny, I've not really seen any scrappers in this area for quite some time. Gas shoots up to $4.25 and then I see one. I figure most of them would give up. Expensive to drive around and look at people's trash. I don't know what this is, a little printer or something. All I know is it's got a cord, so I'll take it. Jet 3752. Yeah. Check that one out. Do people buy printers for parts? I don't know. I mean, maybe I could throw it on eBay or something. Obviously do my research, but probably just scrap. See, there they are. My enemy. Well, they apparently haven't been down this road. Or maybe they're not the brightest and don't know the value of insulated copper. Who knows? Not sure if we should go hit this other neighborhood that they just drove into or not. Maybe they're gonna miss something. I don't know. You tell me, what do you think? Go hit where the scrappers have hit? Or just call it quits? I mean, this is my last neighborhood over here, so I don't know. What do you think we should do? I'll run down this little road here, then just kind of cruise into there. We'll see. I don't know, maybe they aren't very good at what they do. Maybe they only want big stuff. Maybe they're just driving around wasting gas and not really picking anything up. I mean, their truck is full of scrap, but some wooden stools. Alright. See what we see. Find what we find. Oh man, maybe they use that method of, oh, let's leave them some small things, slow them down. Fine with me. I'll take all the small items I can get, as long as they're metal or electrical or all right. Well, that's it for Wednesday. Tie that down, and I don't know about Friday. We'll see. I may go out Friday. I may run a load in. We'll see. But if I don't, thanks for watching. If I do, continue watching this episode because there's more. So, see ya.